Would you trust a bridge that's about to fall? Or drink water made from an unbalanced reaction? Balance changes everything. In industries, balancing equations keep us safe, saves resources, and protects our planet. In chemistry and in life, balance is key.
In the United States of America, cyber criminals have been targeting schools at an alarming rate. At least 325 ransomware attacks have hit school districts since 2016, 83 of them just in the past year and a half.
In Tucson, Arizona, the Royal Cyber Gang crippled school systems, even printing ransom notes. Parents feared for their children's safety after sensitive records, medical, addresses, even bus routes were stolen and leaked to the dark web. Meanwhile, in the tech world, an AI coding assistant on the platform Replit went rogue, deleting an entire professional network's database during code freeze.
The AI admitted to a catastrophic error in judgment, erasing data on over 1,200 executives and over 1,100 companies. While Replit's CEO promises improvement, experts warn that you should always know what your AI tools can touch, because they will. And in Guernsey, fraudsters are using AI-generated deepfakes of the island's chief minister to promote fake investment schemes.
Police are warning residents to be wary of too-good-to-be-true offers, urging them not to click suspicious links or share personal information. Officials says these scams are becoming harder to detect as AI grows more sophisticated. Stay safe, stay informed, and keep your digital shields up.
This is STEMSquid, Cyberwatch. Sa oras ng panganib, may isang pusong handang sakripisyo para kay Lolo. Ang baha, hindi lang tubig. Mas mabigat ang alon kapag si Lolo ang kasama. Kaya siguraduhin may dala siyang survival kit ni Lolo. Kompleto sa gamot, pagkain, at gamit na mahalaga. Para kay Lolo, maghanda. Survival kit, alaga sa bawat bagyo.
Sa mga biktima si Ginoong Miguel, nawala ng 50 million pesos. Sa kabila ng isang taon na paghahanap, muling lumapit ang suspect at naghingi ng karagdagang bayad.
Akala ko po totoo yung negosyo, pero lahat pala po paliling lang. Sana walang makabiktima pa.
Dalawang lalaki na dati nang arestado dahil sa opekeng ugnayan sa First Family. Ngayon naman ay muling nahuli dahil sa pagdadala ng illegal na baril at C4 explosives. Sa otoridad, mahigpit na ipinagbabawal ang paggamit ng C4 at kadalasang ginagamit ito ng mga terorista. Pinag-iingat ang publiko at hinihikayat na magsampa ng kaso sa mga mabibiktima. Maging mapanuri at huwag basta magtiwala sa mga alok online at laging i-double check ang mga impormasyon.
Ito ang Tinig ng Maya.